At Backus and Shanker, we understand that you may be in a situation that you don't have the money to pay the exorbitant hourly fees that corporations charge for attorneys. One of our goals is to level the playing field for regular people. A way that we can accomplish this is by allowing that the first meeting that we have with you is free of charge. That's an opportunity to sit down with the attorneys from our office and just have a frank conversation about your case. At the end of that meeting and at the end of our investigation, we will be able to let you know whether we believe you have a case that it is in your best interest to proceed with. We've structured our fees in such a way to continue to level the playing field as well. We handle our cases on a percentage contingent fee, again, avoiding any upfront hourly costs that in many cases can make it impossible for regular people to hire law firms.